Hi, I'm Sophia. I'm here to introduce you to AP-VAC70TAS Time Attendance HD IP video door phone interworking with the IPNext600PND Multi Service IP-PBX. AP-VAC70TAS Time Attendance HD IP video door phone is a visitor access control unit with a built-in time and attendance function. It has an excellent scalability using SIP standard VIP signal process feature by interworking with the AP-VAC IPNext600PND Multi Service IP-PBX supporting time attendance server function. IPNext600PND Multi Service IP-PBX supports door access control function and time attendance server function besides the basic SIP core manager. Time and attendance server functions support various time and attendance services such as login control, daily attendance rules, monthly attendance rules, business trip and vacation, report, etc. for interworking with the AP-VAC70TAS Time Attendance Door phone. Door access control function supports RFID, fingerprint recognition, and password-based door access control service. This is point-to-point video call demonstration between AP-VAC70TAS and AP-VP280GH via IPNext600PND Multi Service IP-PBX. Hi, could you open the door?
Okay.
This is IPNext600PND time and attendance software demonstration. This is AP-VAC70TAS function key event demonstration for time and attendance service.